Good day, dear viewers! Now, our team will share with you a review on promo code from the 1xBet. In this video, you will learn how to register correctly and enter the 21KEF promo code for the current year 2021, which will give you 130% on the deposit. You will find the link below under the video. There we will also leave the promotional code 21KEF so that you can copy and indicate it during registration. Go into the official website of the 1xBet offshore bookmaker, you will see the predominance of blue and white colors. The green buttons are very conveniently located and stand out softly, but do not interfere with the overall concept of the site. At the top of the screen is a banner in which you can see bets on future sports events and bonus programs. And in the upper right corner, we see the opportunity to register or log into an existing account, and below the menu, in which we see buttons for switching to lines, live, games, and even a casino, and of course search. In the center, we see a list of top live events with events that are already underway. Below will be the top lines and then will be the games and casinos. Now let's move on to the registration. As you have already seen, the button is at the top right. By the clicking on the registration button, we are offered 4 options how we can register. We recommend you the option of registering by mail. It is a little bit more complicated and longer here than in the others. You enter your country, region, city in which you live, and only then choose the currency. Then enter your mail, phone number, your first and last name, and most importantly, specify the password. And there remains a mandatory item, the 21KEF promo code that you now see on the screen, as well as your constant choice. You need a casino or sports bonus. After registration, you need to fill in all the fields with personal data in your personal account. Refill your balance. The bonus is automatically credited after the refilling of the deposit. The user has the rights to receive only one bonus. The bonus is credited automatically after the first refilling of account. If you have filled in all the fields in your personal data in your personal account and activated your phone number, there is a prerequisite. At least 3 events in the parlay must have odds not lower than 1.40. The starting dates of all events must not be later than the validity period of this bonus, and the amount of the Vanguard bonus is counted only after all wagering bets have been settled. Until you fulfill all the conditions of the promotion, the withdrawal of funds will be not possible. And an important clarification: the bonus is activated only after you refill your deposit in any way convenient for you, and then you receive 130% of the bonus, depending on your amount, up to $450, and an additional sports bonus chosen by you, up to $3,000 for deposit, or casino bonus 150 free spins, and up to 1,500 euros of a deposit. In order to get all this, you need to go to the site after registration, and at the top you will see a button to refill in. And now you have access to any option of the recharge system of your choice. After refilling your deposit and receiving bonus interest, you can place bets on any events or spin free spins at the casino. We thank you for watching our video. Write a review in the comments if you managed to get bonuses. Wish you big wins and quick payouts.